Hello, children. Yesterday I taught you how to make the notes of given passages. With that note making method, I am going to start a new chapter from Vistas, the memories of childhood. In our childhood, many a time such incident happens that becomes our everlasting memory. Such type of memories cannot be forgotten by any person. Here, Jitkalasa is a writer who memorizes one of the incident that had happened in her childhood, where her long hair was cut, and that's why one story has come into our book, The Cutting of My Long Hair, as her memories of childhood. She was an American Indian writer who got admission in the lands of apples, where she experienced this bad thing that had happened with her. So let's see the entire chapter point wise, which would be easier for us to memorize and keep in our mind. First day at school. What had happened on the very first day, in the very morning with her? First of all, description of nature. She had described the nature of the land of apples, which was covered with snow. It was very cold there. Several sound was also coming of several bells. In the dining hall, the girls and boys, Indian girls and boys, were coming in line. And then after, there were several bells for different action. For example, there was a small bell for dragging out the chair. Then a second bell, everybody has to bow their head for prayer. And then third bell, everybody has to sit in and start dining. Since Jitkalasa was new there, she was not knowing this pattern, and she made mistakes, and that has made her nervous because she was continuously watched by a warden of that hostel, the old lady. So she was so nervous that she started weeping. But somehow she overcome this emotion. Late in the morning, she got a one friend, Judwin, who informed her that the old lady was planning to cut her long hair. As writer's mother told her that singled hair or short hair was kept by the slaves or cowards. That was her belief. And so she said that she would revolt against this. Although Judwin told her that they were stronger to them, it was not possible to revolt them. Judwin wanted to convince the writer that rather revolting she must surrender, but somehow writer wanted to revolt. Then she did so many efforts to escape herself from the people, from the authority. She went upstairs without being noticed, and there she found 3 big rooms. She hid herself in one of those rooms under the bed and kept hand on her mouth so that no sound may come. But later on, all the hostel member, all the students, member of management started searching her where she is. Finally, they came in that particular room. They started searching every corner. They removed the curtain that was on the window that had made the room dark. The light came into the room. Somehow one of them looked under the bed and noticed her. Then she was dragged out from that bed. Although she uh, resisted them by kicking and screaming, but somehow they were stronger to her and she was brought down. Then she was fastened in a chair, and then the long hair was cut into a short one. After that, she suffered insults of the students, and the people there used to stare her in a bad manner. She was tossed like a wooden puppet. Nobody understood her feeling as her mother did. Overall, through these points, we can keep the value points of this chapter in our mind, and what lesson we get from this chapter. What lesson did Jitkalasa got from this incident, that the grown-ups never understood her feelings. They were superior to her. They never understood the feeling of a child who was separated from her parents and was kept in that place, and they forced their own rules and regulation on that small girl, and in end she surrendered herself according to the situation, or she adapted the situation unwillingly. So these points are in these chapters. It is easier for us to keep these points in our mind, and when a question will be asked, describe her first day, or what information Jidwin gave her, what efforts she did to escape, or how did describe her struggles when they were cutting her hair. These all questions can be answered with the help of these points. Thank you, children. I hope so that you all have understood it.